Welcome to our YouTube channel, Berna's Kitchen. Our honey and mustard dressing that we mix with mayonnaise, and that makes a delicious sandwich filler. Okay, so we have mayonnaise and we have Berna's honey and mustard dressing. So we just tip this into the mayonnaise and we mix it in. And now you have a delicious honey and mustard mayonnaise. So I have delicious brown sourdough bread here from the Bretzel Bakery. And here is your chicken, honey and mustard mayo sambo with rocket and cherry tomatoes on the Bretzel sourdough brown bread. Now?
Bottoms up. Cheers.
Okay, cheers. I'm going to cut this in half. I'll take the smaller one. But I'll still cut this in half. My mouth isn't, I haven't got a big mouth.
That's why you cut them diagonal so you can get your mouth.
Okay, fair enough. Oh, no, but I still like a dainty sandwich. Good. Good. The mayonnaise, nice and light. It's not too. Hope you enjoyed being in the kitchen with me today. Please subscribe below. Thank you.